Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to make money with Sweatcoin, then this is the right video for you. First, open your Sweatcoin app. Sweatcoin is an app through which you can make money just by walking. Tap on Home on the bottom left. From here, if you scroll down, you will see options to claim your bonus Sweatcoins. You will get to claim this bonus every day. Once you have enough Sweatcoin, just tap on the shop icon beside home. From here, if you scroll through, you will see many offers and sales. You can use your Sweatcoins to buy anything you can see here. Now, if you tap on wallet beside store, then you will get to see your earnings summary. If you go to profile and then tap on your name on the top left, you will get to see options to buy subscriptions. If you want to get premium Sweatcoin, then choose your package and then buy it. Also, if you go on your profile, you can see your daily, weekly, or monthly steps and earnings. So just download Sweatcoin and start walking. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.